Good people, back again with another video. Just before I get into the video, please can everyone like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, because all of that stuff benefits the channel a lot. It's all free to do. If you're balling, you can always give me a super thanks. They cost money though, so only if you're rich. If you are rich, send me more than a bit of money. But yeah, this one, as it's tracksuit season, I've done one tracksuit one previously. I did have people request like to see what it looks like on. I do need to find like a good location, all that good stuff. Hopefully for this one I'll be able to do it. So what I'm gonna do is I'll actually sit on the video for a bit, a week or two, find a good, backdrop location so I can record the video nicely, and then we can release something for you, showing you what it looks like on, sizing, all that good stuff. But yeah, let me just get into it without waffling too much. It is tracksuit season. That was kind of a fail. It's Tech Fleece season. Tech Fleece I've been wearing since it actually came out. To be honest, I took a long break from it because I saw everyone was wearing Tech Fleece. As soon as they bought a Tech Fleece, they weren't teching it off. So funny. But yeah, man, and the price is creeping up. I'm not happy with that at all. But yeah, let's just get into the Tech Fleece. So we'll do the joggers first. Fresh. I haven't even opened them. I had to wait all day to open it because I wanted to open it for you lot. So see the things I do for you people, man. Tech Fleece joggers. Let's just do the label quick. So slim fit, taper leg, regular length. Slim fit, taper leg, regular length. We love slim fit. It's not bad, decent, fitted or whatever. Taper leg is always good, whatever. Then Nike tag there. So waistband, casual standard waistband. You pull it like that to tighten it. You pull it like that to untighten it. It's whatever. But yeah, it's the waistband. I don't know if that's 3M. I'm not going to check right now, to be honest. And there we go. Nike logo on the side. This pair is actually a bit more loose fitting. So I don't know if anyone could tell from the previous versions, the leg is a bit more loose. I kind of like that more because, sometimes in the winter, if it's a bit too cold, I might want to wear some thin, pajama pants or something underneath. And I don't like them skin tight, to be honest. Some people like them really fitted. I like mine in the middle of fitted and loose. Fitted and loose? No, I like them in the middle of fitted and loose. I don't know, man. I just like them the way I like them, innit? So I like them decently fitted, but not too loose, not too tight. Yeah. So the cuffs, this is the best cuff on a jogger. I remember, I think it was around, we could say 2015, 2016, cuffed joggers became a thing. I bought my first pair from H&M. Since then, these cuffs, like this type of cuff, just blew up. It went everywhere. Everyone's wearing them. I personally can't live without them. Like I need this cuff on my joggers because I just think it looks so good. I don't really like the other cuffs, the little cuffs, the elasticy ones. I don't really like those. That was the previous type. So pockets, nice deep pockets, and then the zip, which is always good for your phone, your valuables, your keys, your wallet. Sometimes if you don't have a bag with you and you just want to step out quickly, you can fit quite a bunch of things in there. It's quite a good pocket. So I'll just demonstrate with a phone. It's basically disappeared. It's good. What else are we getting into? Yeah, that's the joggers. And what I did notice is what they've started doing on the knees of the joggers is this kind of stitch break. Obviously from a fashion perspective, it's probably, you know, for the way the fit is, the way the jogger flows. It's also got like a piece here. You know, it kind of brings out the joggers a bit more, I think, or this bit, because I know Nike are known for that on the Tech Fleece, this little cut. But I don't know what it's for. I think it's just a design, to be honest. But yeah, let's put those to the side. I've just spotted something and I hope this is not it. It looks like these two aren't the same grey. Oh man, don't say that. Don't say that. Let's open this one. Quick one, what does the label say? Nike. And then there's a warning here, which I actually saw on the other one. No protective function, not personal protective equipment. I want to know what happened for them to have to print that on every hoodie. Like, someone must have thought this was personal protective equipment or something. PPE? Who would think Tech Fleece is a PPE, bro? Come on, man. But yeah, so this one is again with no zip. I thought I got the black one with no zip. I'll get the grey one with no zip, and then I'll get the black one with a zip. I'll get the grey one with the zip, just to show like the different styles. I prefer overhead hoodies now. I don't know why, I just prefer them. So it's got the kind of like, you know, other hoodies will have like a bit of a lower collar hood. This one's got a kind of more like slightly snood hood, but I like it. There's nothing wrong with that. Nike Tech, the same thing, which I love. The arm zip pocket. I never use these, but it's always good. Like, I know some people do use them, so they'll put like a wallet in there, keys, whatever. I just like the look. I just think it makes a boring hoodie look so good. So for example, CP Company, they have this, they have the goggle, and they have an actual pocket, like a pop-out pocket. But I don't mind this one either. It just looks good, to be honest. It's got at the bottom pocket that goes all the way across, which I like. I don't like these, you know, split into two pockets. Those are useless. Then same as the black version, the little, I want to say lace. Is it lace? Ribbon. It's like a ribbon at the bottom, so it's a ribbon cuff. So it's not like the joggers. I wouldn't mind if it had this sort of cuff on here, but you know, it doesn't, so I don't know why they do that, probably to save weight. And then at the bottom it's got this as well, so I wouldn't mind it having the cuffs and that, but I'm sure they did it for a specific reason. Do the greys match? Yeah, they do. My eyes were just playing up a bit, or I hope they do. Yeah, they look okay. But yeah, I'll sit on this video for a bit for you guys, just to kind of get that full, you know, what it looks like on, etc. Sizing wise, I just go for my normal tracksuit size, large top, XL bottoms. I can go for XL top if I felt like it, if I wanted a bit more like roomy or oversized, but I think large is the best fit for me. XL bottoms, again, same fit as I always get. But yeah, people, man, tell me, do you like the Tech Fleeces? Do you prefer the older ones? What's the fit like, you know, whatever. Let's discuss Tech Fleece. Do you have them? I know there's some people who have like every color. Some of those colors I think I'm a bit too old for, so like orange, sky blue, yellow. I don't think I could do those colors. Maybe a long time ago, yes, but no way now. I just need the old man colors, to be honest. But yeah, I'm gonna definitely try my best to get a video of it worn, how it looks with an outfit, etc. If I don't, I'm sorry, but I'll definitely try to get that sorted out for you people. And yeah, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Hopefully after this bit there's a outfit, so how it looks. If there's not, I apologize, and I'll try to take some pictures or something for you people, you know, post them up or something. We'll just see what happens. But that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching, and most importantly, take care, people.